Okay, this is how I have my Nexus One set up currently. See, I'm running the I'm not running the beautiful widgets, I'm running weather widgets instead, but I run two of them. I keep track of my girl as well. I use Chrome, Chomp SMS, I have the overclock, I have a battery widget. I don't know if you can see it or not, but on the top, it doesn't really come through with Cyanogen mod. The battery actually shows up with the percentage, and if I go into this, if you can see it, you'll see that I'm running Cyanogen mods 5.0.5.3-N1. I run a couple of others. I'm using the Home as well, because it gives you this little status bar down here at the bottom, which gives you a bunch of functionality. You get your phone, voice search, you've got internet, just opens up the browser. This is your application launcher. These are your notifications. I also use Instamapper, which is basically a GPS tracking software. And it gives you a couple of different things, like if I press on the battery, it actually brings up your battery history. You can press on different functions, like my connections. I can press on the sound options and it brings them up. I can bring up the calendar, the time function. I don't have it set up yet. Facebook. I use the shared app function, which is this one here. It allows me to dual mount my phone. I also run Sparks. Sparks gives me the ability to check to see who's on Xbox Live. Couple of neat ones is the sleep timer. Lets me run my phone at night and it'll shut off the music automatically. Close everything too. Is a nice little tool. It lets you pick what applications you have up and running. It lets you select which ones you want to close, which ones you don't want to close, items like that. And I run a nice little
incoming transmission.
I've got a custom sound file for when I get new emails. But nice little widget here that shows you what all your sound tracking are. And then I have the Power Manager bar, which gives you a bunch of functionality, turning on and off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, syncing, and this is your changing the brightness, and I keep it down low. I also run, let's see, Power Manager. Power Manager gives you a nice little interface depending on the battery performance and the functionality. One other one that I like a lot, let's see, where is it? Keyring. Keyring gives you all of your different key tags that you normally would carry on your keyring. You can put them in here instead, and when you go shopping, you just hand them your phone and they scan it. It works about 80% of the time. I found some of the grocery stores it doesn't work at. If they have a hand scanner, it works really good. If they're trying to scan it on the device itself, it doesn't work as great. This one's kind of nice. This is the weather widget that I use, and when you click on it, and right now I think it's loading. What is it loading? Oh, it's loading the webcams. No, I don't want to go to the webcams. There we go. It gives you a nice little interface for the weather that's currently going on. It'll actually load local weather cams too if there's a weather cam available, like if there's one at the airport or stuff like that. I use another one too. This one here is another one that I use because I keep track of different people. different locations, what the weather's like in different places. I like this weather widget because it gives you a nice little interface, and before I kept it because it gave me the percentage, but like I said, now I've got a percentage up here with the new cyanogen mod. The other thing that cyanogen mod gives you is it lets you rotate your phone in both directions, and I think I shut this one off. Yeah, it used to do this upside down as well, but I turned that one off because I didn't quite like it when it did that. But it gives you a full rotation depending on either way. Normally it only does it one way. But that's it. Just wanted to show you what mine does and what I've got on mine. I've got some other ones on as well, but I'm probably going to do some different ones for different applications. I'll do reviews later on, but I wanted to do this one real quick just to show you.